Go play with the truck. Go on. Don't play with me. Go play with the truck. There you go. Good babies. Good babies. Oh, good Terry. Good boy. There's Jimmy. There went Jimmy. There's Terry. There's Howie. Jimmy. Hi, Howie, baby. Jimmy's climbing my back. Mama's over my shoulder. Okay, guys, go out where I can film you. You were just up front playing. There, go play with the truck. That's Jimmy. Mama. Hi, Kabooey. There's Howie. Oh, good try, Howie. Jimmy did that the first try. Good boy. Hi, Mommy. Hi, Terry. You go play. Actually, go nurse. That's what you'll want to do. Hi, babies. Jimmy, go back in the picture. Don't climb my back. Jimmy, go play with Mama. Hi, Howie. You guys, get off my lap. Go play. Your families want to see you. Hi, Jimmy. Oh, there you go. That's Terry, just pretty much stepping up on the truck. Nope, didn't make it. Hi, Howie, leave the toes alone. Jimmy's playing with the other little truck. Jimmy! Jimmy's the explorer. Okay, if you're going to do that, I'm going to take it away. They just got the chassis of the truck today. They've had the truck bed up till now, because I was afraid they'd go under it, just what the little monster, ow, don't bite toes, is trying to do. Howie, no. Howie, no. There goes Jimmy. There goes Terry after. Hi, Terry. Howie. Hi, Terry. Good boy. Howie, you go play. Hi, Mama. I'm sorry. I'm not paying any attention to you, am I? Call your babies. Good girl. You could at least play where I could see you. No, don't. Okay, Howie, go play. Hi, Terry. Hi, Howie. Howie's on the bottom, Terry's on top. There comes Jimmy. There goes Jimmy. Terry in the front, Howie in the back. Jimmy ready to jump in. That's Howie on my lap right now. That's Terry jumping up. That's Mama. Hi, Mama. Hi, Kaboo. Jimmy, you okay? Hey guys, go play. I brought you all the toys. Don't you want to go play? Oh, Jimmy, you little monster. Hi, that's Howie playing with Jimmy. Terry jumping in, going after his tail. Jimmy. Terry running off. What? Call him. I'm sure he'll nurse. He always wants to. Hi, Kabooey. Kaboobala. Kaboobala. Hi, Terry. Hi, Howie. Can't you get up? Oh, hi, sweethearts. Look, I brought you toys, and you'd rather play with me. Look at those ears, Terry. Oh, are you hot? Well, you wouldn't let me finish cutting your claws. They need gutting. Hi, Mama. Kaboo kiss. Kabooey. What? Let's see, was that Terry? No, that's Howie. And Jimmy up front. No, don't chew on bracelets, sweetheart. Go play with your brothers. Go on. There, go play with your brothers. How come I can't keep all three of you in at the same time? Howie, get back in there. Or are you Terry? Let me see the paws. You're Terry. Big paws means Terry. Oh, hi, Jimmy. Oh, did somebody get you in the eye?